Hello friend, today we discuss sonometer. Sono means sound, an instrument which is used to measure the frequency of sound wave. An instrument which is used to measure the frequency of sound wave is called as sonometer. It is used to determine unknown frequency of tuning fork. It is used to verify law of vibrating string. These are the uses of sonometer. Sonometer means an instrument which is used to measure the frequency of sound wave. The principle of sonometer is, it is based on the principle of resonance. What is the principle of sonometer? It is based on the principle of resonance. What is resonance? When the frequency of applied force is equal to the natural frequency of the body. When the frequency of applied force is equal to the natural frequency of the body, then the body vibrates with maximum amplitude. That phenomena is called as the resonance. And on the basis of resonance, the sonometer can be constructed. Sonometer is constructed. Now, construction of sonometer. From this diagram, it consists of a rectangular hollow wooden box. It is seen that from the diagram there is a rectangular hollow wooden box. That is called as the sound box. This box is called as the sound box. It is made up of wooden. It is rectangular and hollow. It is called as a sound box. Why it is called as sound box? It is used to make larger mass of air vibrate. This sound box is used to make a larger mass of air vibrate so that sound produced by the string gets amplified. Therefore, it is called as the sound box. This sound box is about 1 meter in length. This sound box is about 1 meter length with hook at one end and pulley at the other end. It is about 1 meter in length. Hook is fixed at one end and pulley is fixed at the other end. Now, a thin uniform wire. This is a thin uniform wire, metal wire, whose one end is fixed at the hook. And other end is placed over the pulley and two wooden bridges, knife edges. The wooden bridges has knife edges. Okay. On the knife edges, the wire is placed. Okay. A thin uniform wire, that is metal wire, whose one end is fixed at the hook and other end is on the pulley and on the knife edges of wooden bridge. A weight hanger is fixed to the free end of the wire. A weight hanger is attached to the free end of the wire. There are two bridges. Here are the two bridges, wooden bridges, which are put on the board, and which can be adjusted, which are movable, and the length of the string can be adjusted. There are two wooden bridges are put on the board so that the length of the string can be adjusted. The point at which wire rests on the knife edge of wooden bridge. The point at which the wire rests on the knife edge of the wooden bridge cannot vibrate at all. These 2 points at which wire rests, this point cannot vibrate at all. Hence, when the wire is set up in the vibration, these 2 points act as the nodes. When the wire is set up into vibration, the 2 points becomes nodes and the wire vibrate in the fundamental mode. that is the one loop is formed. Okay, the frequency of vibration of wire, the frequency of vibration of wire can be changed. The frequency of vibration of wire can be changed either by changing the position of the wooden bridge, either by changing the position of the wooden bridge, by changing the vibrating length, or by placing different weight in the pan, by changing the tension. फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपण या व्हायब्रेटिंग स्ट्रिंगची चेंज करू शकतो. त्यासाठी दोन या ठिकाणी गोष्टी करू शकतो आपण. एक तर व्हायब्रेटिंग लेंथ चेंज करू शकतो. व्हायब्रेटिंग लेंथ कशी चेंज करू शकतो? बाय चेंजिंग द मूव द वुडन ब्रिजेस. ओके, द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ व्हायब्रेशन कॅन बी चेंज आयदर बाय चेंजिंग द पोझिशन ऑफ द ब्रिजेस. आणि पोझिशन चेंज केली याची लेंथ सुद्धा काय होते? चेंज. आणि लेंथ चेंज झाली की फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ व्हायब्रेशन काय होते? चेंज. आणि दुसरी कोणती गोष्ट आहे की टेन्शन. याच्यामधलं तर आपण चेंज केलं त्यामुळे काय करू शकतो? डिफरंट वेट पॅन मध्ये आपण बदलायचं, त्यामुळे काय होते? टेन्शन त्याच्यावरचं चेंज होते. आणि इफ यू चेंज द टेन्शन, द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ व्हायब्रेशन ऑफ द वायर विल बी चेंज. The frequency of vibration of wire can be changed by either changing the position of the bridges, by changing the length of the vibrating string, or by placing different weight in the pan, by changing the tension. If we pluck the wire at some point, or vibrating tuning fork is placed on the wooden board, the stem of vibrating tuning fork is placed on the wooden board, a transverse wave is produced in the wire. This transverse wave gets reflected from rigid support, and a stationary wave is formed in the form of loops. Okay, the portion AB of the wire between the two bridges P and Q is the vibrating length. The portion AB of the wire between the two bridges P and Q is the vibrating length. And the frequency of vibration is same. The frequency of vibration is same as that of the tuning fork, this vibrating tuning fork. If this frequency happens to be the one of the natural frequency of the wire, stationary wave with large amplitude are set up in the wire. जर ही जी फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे कोणाची? वायरची, आपल्या ट्युनिंग फोर्कची, आणि नॅचरल फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ वायर जर सेम असेल, इफ दी फ्रिक्वेन्सी हॅपन्स टू बी वन ऑफ द नॅचरल फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ द वायर, स्टेशनरी वेव्स विथ लार्ज एम्प्लिट्यूड आर सेट अप इन द वायर सिन्स द टू वायर व्हायब्रेट इन रेझोनन्स. टू आयडेंटिफाय रेझोनन्स, रेझोनन्स आपल्याला ओळखायचा कसं? टू आयडेंटिफाय रेझोनन्स, अ स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ पेपर दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द रायडर आर इज प्लेस ॲट द मिडल ऑफ द वायर ऑफ लेंथ AB. नाईफ एजेस मध्ये जी लेंथ आहे AB, त्या मिडलला आपण एक पेपर रायडर ठेवायचा, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द आर. इट इज स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ पेपर. आणि हा ठेवल्यानंतर युझिंग दिस टू ब्रिजेस वी कॅन ऍडजस्ट द लेंथ ऑफ व्हायब्रेटिंग स्ट्रिंग. If the frequency of tuning fork, आता व्हायब्रेटिंग ट्युनिंग फोर्क आपण ठेवत आहोत. समजा या ट्युनिंग फोर्कची फ्रिक्वेन्सी आणि नॅचरल फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ द वायर जेव्हा मॅच होतील, इफ द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ ट्युनिंग फोर्क अँड नॅचरल फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ द व्हायब्रेटिंग स्ट्रिंग इज मॅच, the frequency of tuning fork and natural frequency of the wire is matched, then the wire vibrate with maximum amplitude. आणि वायर मॅक्झिमम एम्प्लिट्यूड न व्हायब्रेट झाल्यानंतर हा जो पेपर रायडर आहे, दिस पेपर रायडर फ्लाइज ऑफ द वायर, वायरच्या खाली पडेल. and that position, that condition is called as the resonance. Okay, if the frequency of tuning fork and natural frequency of the wire is matched, the paper rider flies off the wire, and that condition is called as the resonance. Resonance केव्हा मिळतो आपल्याला? applied force frequency, the frequency of applied force and natural frequency of this wire or body match. The wire or body vibrate with maximum amplitude. That condition is called as the resonance. And this sonometer is used to verify the laws of vibrating string. It is also used to measure the unknown frequency of sound, unknown frequency of sound, unknown frequency of tuning fork. It is used to measure the unknown frequency of tuning fork. It is also used to measure the frequency of sound wave. This is all about the sonometer.